The Ajazz AK820/AK820 Pro Keyboard with Dynamic RGB Lighting. Introducing the Ajazz AK820/AK820 Pro. A gaming keyboard that blends style and functionality. Highlight the mechanical keys with RGB lighting effects. Equipped with tactile mechanical keys and vibrant RGB lighting. It's perfect for any gaming setup. Cut to show the TFT screen and multifunctional knob in action. Featuring a TFT screen and a multifunctional knob. Control your media, lighting, and more with ease. Connectivity options, wired, 2.4 GHz. And Bluetooth modes, with wired, 2.4 GHz, and Bluetooth connectivity. Switch seamlessly between devices. Full view of the keyboard on a gaming desk setup. Upgrade your gaming experience with the Ajazz AK820/AK820 Pro, where performance meets design.